Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate automation workflows in Monday.com. This is incredibly useful when you want to create similar automations without building them from scratch, saving you time and keeping your workflows consistent. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your board in Monday.com. Make sure you're working on the board where the automation you want to duplicate is located. This is important because automations are board specific, so you need to be in the right workspace to access the automation settings you're looking for. Once your board is open, look towards the top right toolbar and click on Automate. This button is your gateway to all automation features within Monday.com, allowing you to create, manage, and modify workflows that help streamline your processes. Clicking this will open up the Automation Center where you can see all the automations currently running on your board. Next, click on the Manage tab. This tab shows you a list of all the automations that are already set up on this particular board. It's essentially your automation dashboard where you can review, edit, or duplicate existing workflows. If you have many automations running, this is where you'll organize and keep track of them all. Now, scroll through the list or use the search function to locate the specific automation you want to duplicate. If you have a long list of automations, using the search feature can save you valuable time. Finding the right automation is crucial because you'll be creating a copy of it, so make sure you've identified the correct workflow before proceeding. Once you've found the automation you need, click on the three dots next to that automation. These three dots represent the menu icon that gives you access to additional options for managing that particular workflow. Clicking this will reveal a small drop-down menu with several actions you can take. From the menu that appears, select Duplicate. This action creates an exact copy of your automation, including all its triggers, conditions, and actions. The duplicate will appear immediately in your automation list, making it easy to spot and modify if necessary. After duplicating, you might want to edit the duplicated automation to customize it for a different purpose or scenario. Click on the newly duplicated automation to open it in the builder. Here you can adjust any part of the workflow, whether that's changing the trigger conditions, modifying the actions it performs, or tweaking who gets notified. This flexibility allows you to tailor the automation to fit your specific needs without starting from zero. Once you're satisfied with any edits you've made, click Create Automation to activate the copy. This finalizes the duplication process and puts your new automation into action on your board. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated an automation workflow in Monday.com, giving you a powerful way to replicate and customize your processes efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.